SOA XMP practice question 76. An actuary models the frequency of two types of claims submitted under a general insurance policy over a 5-year period: water damage claims and liability claims. Only one water damage claim and one liability claim can be filed per policy year. For the case year, let WK represent the event of a water damage claim being filed, and LK represent the event of a liability claim being filed. Assume the events W1, W2 up to W5 and L1, L2 up to L5 are mutually independent. And the probability of WK equals 0.15, the probability of LK equals 0.05 for all K. Calculate the probability that the total number of claims filed over the 5-year period is at most 1. Let's take a look at the solution. First, we define the events NW and NL. These two random variables, respectively, are the total number of water damage claims and the total number of liability claims over the 5-year period. Over this 5-year period, the event of water damage claim and the event of a liability claim are mutually independent. The probability of having a water damage claim is 0.15, and the probability of having the liability claim is 0.05. Therefore, the random variable NW follows a binomial distribution with n equals 5 and p 0.15. Similarly, the random variable NL follows a binomial distribution with n equals 5 and p 0.05. We want to get the probability that the total number of claims is at most 1. We need the probability that NW plus NL is less than or equals 1. This equals the probability of having no claims plus the probability that there's one water damage claim and no liability claim, plus the probability that there's no water damage claim and one liability claim. Due to independence, the probability of the intersection of these two events equals the product of each individual probabilities. So the first term, we have the probability that NW equals 0 times the probability NL equals 0. And then we have the second term and the third term. And then we can compute the probabilities accordingly. NW follows a binomial distribution. We have this PMF. We only need NW equals 0 and 1. So we compute these two probabilities. And then for the random variable NL, we get the PMF. And we need the probability that NL equals 0 and the probability that NL equals 1. Compute these probabilities accordingly. We get all the numbers. We do the substitution. Upon calculation, we get the desired probability. The answer is 0.7366. This is the probability that the total number of claims filed over the 5-year period is at most 1.